University of Sindh, Faculty of Education, Subject Educational Research. I am a student of MET. My roll number is 11. Today my presentation topic is on-time research and longitudinal research. First of all, what is research? Research is an organized and systematic way of finding answer to question. Now, definition of research. Research must be a systematic and follow a series of steps and rigid standard protocol. These rules are broadly similar but may vary between the different fields of science. Now, research design and descriptive research. Descriptive research is undertaken to provide answer to questions of who, what, where, and how, but not why. Two basic classification: cross-sectional studies and longitudinal studies. Now, cross-sectional research. Cross-sectional studies may unit from a sample of the population at only one point in time. Sample surveys are cross-sectional studies whose sample are drawn in such way as to be a representative of a specific population. Now, characteristics. Take a place at a single point one time, does not involve manipulating variables, allow research to look at the numerous things at once: age, incomes, gender, often used to look the prevalence something in given population. Now, longitudinal research. It involves study of sample at more than one point in a time or occasion. Longitudinal studies repeatedly draw some unit of population over time. Now, third point is one method is to draw the different unit from the same sampling frame. Now, the fourth point, a second method is to use a panel where some people are asked to respond periodically. Now, longitudinal studies, any social or development research involving the collection of data from the involving or groups across time. Longitudinal types: cohort research or panel. Second is panel research. Cohort research. Cohort research defines a group of experiencing some event in a selected time period and studying them at intervals through time. Now, panel research take a regular intervals. It involves study of many cases at one point in time or occasion. Now, advantages. First advantage is that ideas and data available. Second advantage is lot of observations and available. Third is lot of result available. Fourth is research is made to study understand. Now, disadvantages: long-term process. Second is required a lot of time. Third is very expensive, and fourth is not very convenient.